morning, students. Today we will see the class 5 subject English book Marigold textbook NCERT chapter The Little Fir Tree. Our today's topic is question and answer, opposite words, use of an, in, describing pictures, making sentences and others. The characters of the little fir trees are fir tree, magician, goat and thief. Targeted learning outcomes. After watching this video, the students will be able to learn question answer, opposite words, use of an, in, making sentences and many other things. My first question number 1. How was the little fir tree? The little fir tree was pretty. My question number 2. The fir tree was sad. Why? The fir tree was sad because it had needle-like leaves. My third question goes to who was Seti? The correct answer is Seti was the magician. Question number 4. What did Seti see? Seti saw the pretty little fir tree. Question number 5. Why did he run towards the little fir tree? He ran towards the little fir tree because it was rainy and wanted to not get wet. My question number 6. Seti was happy. Why? Seti was happy because he did not get wet. Question number 7. What was the first wish of the fir tree? The first wish of the fir tree was had a green leaves like other friends. Question number 8. What was the second wish by little fir tree? The second wish by little fir tree was had a gold leaf. Question number 9. What was the third wish by little fir tree? The third wish by little fir tree was had a glass leaf. Question number 10. Why did the fir tree want to have leaves of gold? The fir tree wanted to have leaves of gold because goats do not eat gold leaves. Question number 11. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. Why? The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because a man stole them. Question number 12. In all, how many wishes had the magician granted? The correct answer is 4 wishes the magician granted. Question number 3. Who had granted him the wish? Seti was the magician had granted him the wish. Question number 14. What is the theme of the story? The theme of the story is be happy what you are, what he or she is, what he or she has. Question number 15. Find 2 describing words from the story. Little fir tree and green leaves. Little fir tree. Question number 16. Why did the fir tree like his old needle-like leaves best? At the end of the story, the fir tree liked his own needle-like leaves best because goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, and the wind will do them no harm. Question number 17. Adding an or im. Students, an or im means not, N-O-T, not. Happy, unhappy, polite, impolite, seen, unseen, proper, improper, lucky, unlucky, possible, impossible, important, unimportant, perfect, imperfect, healthy, unhealthy, safe, unsafe, patience, impatience, pure, impure. Question number 18. Opposite words. Loved, hated, go out, come in, come, go, everywhere, nowhere, lost, found, crying, laughing, happy, sad, down, up. Question number 19. Make sentences. As fast as. Raju can run as fast as cheetah. This is the picture. You have to describe this picture. What you can see, students? After watching the picture, the student can write, the ducks are swimming in the pond. We can see 2 trees are there. Bag, tiffin box, ball, etc. are on the mat. A girl is sitting on the mat. A boy is in standing position. I can see red flowers also. You can write your own sentences. Question number 21. Rewrite the passage. Number 1. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water and their friend Raj. Rewrote. The students see the first sentence of any paragraph, any passage must be capital. In the question, there is small o, O and E. The first letter of the one will be O capital. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit. Here Amarjit is the name of the person. Amarjit, first letter capital is A. And his little sister Rani. Rani is the name of the girl. So, capital of the word Rani, R will be capital. Went for a picnic to India Gate. India is a country. So, the country's name will be first letter capital. There, THE after full stop will start from the first letter. Word begins with the first letter after full stop. There, T capital, TH, there they saw ducks, water and their friend Raj. The name of the person, a boy, a man. So Raj is the name of the person. So Raj first letter R will be capital. So first letter always capital of a sentence. First letter of the name of a person like Raj, Rani is capital. And a country first letter always capital like India, Japan, etc. Students, here we can see word meanings. Word meaning: needle, a small thin metal pin used in sewing. Magician, a person having magical power. Two words in the direction of things or a person. Pretty means attractive. It is used for child and woman. Wet means covered in a liquid, especially water. Reward means a prize given for doing something well. Granted means permitted. Sanction. Instead means in place of somebody or something. Thief is a person who steals things of others and property of others. Stole means past tense of steal. Harm means hurt someone. Returning means back. Number 24. Glass breaks easily when it is dropped. Name the other thing that breaks when it is dropped. You have to circle in your book. It is given in your book. A mud flower pot, a cup, a glass spoon, a wooden table. Thank you students for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like and share for update. It is benefited for you.